Chapter 2 Earth, our home. Learning objectives. Understand the shape of the earth. Compare a globe and a map. Name the four directions and their uses. List the oceans and continents. Our planet Earth is the only place that supports the life of humans, plants, and animals. It is special because it is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. It has the right temperature for living things to grow and live. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 is covered with land. Did you know the earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system? Shape of the earth. In ancient times, many people believed that earth was flat. However, we know now that earth is round like an orange. Around 500 years ago, an explorer named Ferdinand Magellan and his team set out on a long sea journey from Spain. They kept sailing in the same direction for almost 3 years and eventually returned to the same point from the opposite side, demonstrating that Earth could not be flat but must be spherical. Modern photographs taken from outer space also show that Earth is indeed shaped like a sphere. Although it is slightly flattened at the top and bottom, the north and south poles, it is still commonly referred to as round. Globes and maps. Globes and maps helps us to understand and learn about our Earth. The globe. A globe is a small, three-dimensional model of the Earth. It helps us to see positions of continents and oceans more accurately. Globes can be spun around to show how Earth rotates on its axis. Maps. A map is a flat drawing that represents the whole Earth or a part of it. Maps come in many forms and sizes. Sometimes, multiple maps are put together in a book called an atlas. Large maps that can be hung on wall are known as wall maps. Maps are easier to carry around than a globe, but they do not show the Earth's curved surface perfectly. Directions on a map. On a map, the four main directions help us to know where we are. North is at the top, south is at the bottom, east is on the right, and west is on the left. A compass is a small tool with a needle that always points towards north. Explorers, travelers, and sailors often use compasses to help them stay on the right path during their journeys. Oceans and continents. Earth's surface is divided into land and water. More than 2/3 of our planet is covered in water. The Earth's surface is covered by vast water bodies known as oceans. There are 5 major oceans: Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Smaller water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and seas also exist on Earth. The land on Earth is divided into large regions and continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, North America, Antarctica, Australia, Africa, South America, Europe. Did you know the Pacific Ocean is so big that it could hold all the continents inside it? When you look far out to where the sky seems to meet the land or water, the line is called horizon. It may look like the edge of the earth, but if you travel to the horizon, You will notice it appears to move farther away because of Earth's curvature. The area where land meets the sea is known as the coast. Chapter Recap. Earth is round and has air, water, and the right temperature for life. Globes show Earth round, maps show it flat. 4 directions help us find places. There are 5 oceans and 7 continents.